Hey guys, welcome to GTrendz India Shoes Expert. I am Gunashekhar, the Fooder Explorer. Today we are going to review a running shoe, new arrival running shoe from the brand Asian. The name is Molecule-01 and this is the shoe. Let's unbox it. Before that, if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and click the bell. This particular Asian Molecule-01 shoe is specially made for running purposes, but you can use it for indoor training purposes also. This shoe costs around 1999 rupees as a MRP, but we have provided a purchase link in the description. In that particular link, you can get the shoe for 1299 rupees. That's a pretty good offer, right? Now it's time to look at the material, build quality and comfort of this shoe. In this particular shoe, they have provided a fly-knit fabric as upper material. If you are using fly-knit fabric as upper material, it will provide a proper airflow into the shoe, which will keep our feet always fresh and comfort. And also in this shoe, they are providing proper cushioning material in the heel cup area, which will provide more comfort for our foot. And also they are using skin-friendly fabric material as a lining material inside the shoe, so which will increase the shoe's durability and also provide proper comfort for our foot. Nowadays, most of the running shoes has a memory foam as an insole material. In this shoe also, they have provided proper memory foam insole material. Let's check it out. So this is the memory foam material which is used in this particular model to provide a extreme comfort and more cushioning effect to your foot. This shoe comes with a wide toe box area. If you have a broader feet, you can also use this shoe comfortably. Finally, we have come to the sole area. In this particular shoe is made up of two layers of soles. The one is midsole, which is made up of pylon material, and they have mentioned which is a molecule technology. That's why they have provided the name as a Molecule-01. I think so. But simply it's a pylon sole material, and the another material is outer sole material, which is made up of TPR rubber, and they have mentioned it's an anti-skid material. These two sole combination is the best combination in running shoes because it will provide proper cushioning effect, comfortable durability and proper grip for the shoe. Here you can see the compression ratio of the shoe. It will provide a proper cushioning effect for your foot. I personally like the color of this particular shoe. It is a combination of grey, black and blue color combination. I really like it. Looks good. These are the material and build quality of this particular shoe. In this particular model, you can get the size category of 6 to 10 size in Indian men's size category, and also it has a 3 color variants. So guys, finally, if you like this video, give a thumbs up. If you like to purchase this particular model, we have provided a link in the description. You can check it out, and don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. Thank you for watching.